Hi everyone, and welcome to week 5 of Writing 213. This week for media, I have one short article for you related to your career research project that you can find by logging into the consortium library. The bulk of our work this week is the peer review, and I enjoyed reading your paper drafts over the weekend. If I approved your draft, I added you to a peer review group, which you can find on this sheet. Our peer review is going to begin tomorrow on Tuesday and will end by Saturday. You are eligible to participate only if I have approved your draft. Otherwise, you're ineligible and you'll receive a 0 on this project. So on Tuesday, you're going to share your draft with one another by using this blue share button. You can find your group members' UAA email addresses here in the course directory. So if you just click here, you can find their email addresses, and you should use the UAA email address, which is connected to your Google Drive. Make sure that you're sharing a Google Doc with everyone, not a PDF, so that we can easily comment on one another's work. So the things that are guiding your response are making sure that the writer has a clear purpose, and if not, let them know where they might make the purpose more clear. Do the body paragraphs have topic sentences that tell the reader what to expect, and they should be followed by evidence? If not, what can the writer do to improve? Make sure that you identify a couple of favorite moments or sentences. And then you can let the writer know what they're doing well, and that helps them to know what to continue doing. Let them know what's interesting in the essay and what can make it more interesting. What might they need to add or cut? Here are your group members. So you can find your group here. We have 7 groups running. So you have till today to continue working on your draft, and then you should share it with the group. By Saturday, when the peer review is done, you will submit a summary of the peer review to the classroom. So I hope you all have a productive peer review. Remember, you can always meet with me about your draft too. Take care, everyone, and good luck.